Please subscribe to Bear Nerd Fund. Smash the like button. Goodbye.
Hail to all, where we do not need. Hail to all. Hail to all. Now come on, Hollywood. Stop smelling your own farts. You might get mistaken for arse sniffers. Remember, when you go woke, you go broke. Hail to the Fandom Menace. Well, how is everyone doing? Hail to all. Well, I've been perusing around the internet and I found this article. Gary at Nerdrotic was talking about this, and I figured I'd make a video real quick. Former Disney accountant Sandra Kuba claims company inflated revenue by billions. Article by John F. Trent. Former Disney accountant Sandra Kuba, who worked for Walt Disney Company for 18 years, claimed Disney was inflating revenue by billions of dollars in their parks and resort business. Shouldn't that be yummy? Kuba claims Disney 2008-2009 financial year could have been inflated by $6 million. Disney reported revenue of $10.6 billion in 2009. Disney spokesperson described Kuba's claims as utterly without merit. MarketWatch, which we'll go take a look at that here in a second, who claims they've reviewed Kuba's whistleblower filings with the SEC, detail a number of ways Kuba claims Disney was inflating revenue by billions of dollars. One of the main ways Disney employees were reportedly inflating revenue was by including free guest promotions and complimentary golf as revenue. Free guest promotions, buying tickets at Captain Marvel movies. I heard quite a few people talking about their experience when they went and seen Captain Marvel. They went to their seats and the venue was sold out, but there was few people in there. I forget who said that. Someone did. I know they did. But there's stories like this all over the place. And granted, we're expressing our opinions here, and that's what we do. We're just saying how we feel about stuff, giving opinions. And it's not the actors or actresses that are bad. It's the writing. I emphasize it's the writing. Sometimes maybe it's bad acting, but mostly it's bad writing. Doesn't matter how well an actor is or how good they are. If the writing is bad, it's not going to be a good story and it's going to feel cringe. Kuba also reportedly claims Disney was manipulating gift card revenues instead of recording discounted gift cards that guests only paid $395 for. They would be recorded at the face value of $500. She also indicates that Disney employees would record gift card revenue twice. Now, that sounds like cheating to me. It would be recorded not only when guests purchased the gift card, but also when it was used to purchase items. In fact, much like the free guest promotions, if Disney gave a guest a gift card for free, it would be counted as revenue. Kuba told MarketWatch that she brought up discrepancies in the revenue to management in 2013. However, she claims she did not receive a response. In 2016, she would escalate her claims to senior executive. This time, she would be contacted by Disney's corporate audit group in November. But they never followed up after that. Well, what do you know? Didn't follow up. After filing her SEC complaint in August 2017, Kuba indicates she was fired a month later. Wow. She brought their dishonesty to the forefront and she got fired for it. Got fired for being a stand-up person. Being honest. It's a quality these days that it seems to be lacking anymore. She would go on to file a whistleblower retaliation complaint with the Department of Labor Occupational Safety and Health Administration in October 2017. MarketWatch reports that Disney explained she was terminated because she displayed a pattern of workplace complaints against co-workers without a reasonable basis for doing so, in a manner that was inappropriate, disruptive, and in bad faith. In a separate filing, Kuba indicates Disney was also manipulating sales tax classifications. Disney employees were allegedly changing high sales tax items to lower tax items in order to reduce their sales tax liability in Florida. Where I come from, if we as Joe citizens and all that try to do that on our taxes, we would be held accountable. That's right, it's dishonest. California and Hawaii. Disney's spokesperson refuted this most recent claim as well. The claims presented to us by this former employee who was terminated for cause in 2017 has been thoroughly reviewed by the company and found to be utterly without merit. In fact, in 2019, she withdrew the claim she had filed challenging her termination. We're not going to dignify her unsubstantiated assertions with further comment. Maybe she withdrew it because she was threatened by them. My opinion, but yeah, it does happen in big corporations that seem to have no soul. Kuba confirmed to MarketWatch that she did in fact withdraw her claim challenging her termination, but reserves the right to resubmit it. I wonder if she wrote that in writing. Maybe my gut feeling about that was getting close. Once again, it's just my opinion. We express opinions here. Adding to these allegations by Sandra Kuba are reports from Comic Book News which indicates Disney's El Capitan Theater in Los Angeles was recording ticket sales despite no one purchasing tickets. Perhaps no one was in person when they bought those tickets. Maybe they were tickets that were bought electronically and just no one ever showed up for them. A type of ghosting, maybe? If you can use that term. They bought them, no one showed up. Hey, bunch of ghosts watching the movie. Back to the article. They do note that they were told this happened years ago, so it is unknown if the policy continues to this day. There were also reports of a number of fans who indicated their showings of Captain Marvel were sold out. Hey, didn't I just talk about this? Yeah, I did. But fans posted photos showing empty seats. Hey, guess what, folks? I'll leave a link to this article in the info section, and you can go here and see this right here. Check it out, because I was just talking about that. A former SEC attorney, Jordan A. Thomas, told MarketWatch that the SEC appears to be taking Kuba's allegations seriously. All I gotta do is clap, clap, clap to that. Let's hope it's just not a pat on the back. We're going to look at this and then never ever look at it again. Let's hope it's not that. The SEC receives more than 25,000 tips, complaints, and referrals each year, and the vast majority do not make it this far. The fact that the SEC has asked for more information more than once and conducted interviews suggests an inquiry is underway. Let's hope so. Let's hope that big corporate money don't pay them off to look the other way, because I would like to see them held accountable. If they're being dishonest, they truly deserve to be held accountable if they're being dishonest, and if it's proven. Once again, expressing opinions here. It's not unheard of for major companies to be investigated for accounting fraud. Famously, Mattel's Inc. Ruth Handler, the creator of Barbie, pleaded no contest after she was charged with fraud and false reporting by the SEC. Handler had previously resigned from Mattel after investigation uncovered her wrongdoing. This was written by John F. Trent. Now let's take a look over here. This was the original source article here. Disney whistleblowers told SEC the company inflated revenue for years. By Francine McKenna. I removed her image because I just didn't want to show her image just in case. Be safe. Former Walt Disney Company says that she was filed a serious whistleblower tips and the Securities and Exchange Commission alleging the company has materially overstated revenue for years. Oh, and look at this right here. Look at that. It's down. The red is not a good thing. So if you want to check this out, the link will be in the area, in the info area. Hail to the Phantom Menace and have a great day. Hail to all, where we do not kneel. Hail to all. Now come on, Hollywood. Stop smelling your own farts. You might get mistaken for arse sniffers. Remember, when you go woke, you go broke.
Please subscribe to Bear Nerd Fun. Smash the like button. Goodbye.
Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Say nerd fun. Nerd fun. Nerd fun. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Hey, this is Bear Nerd Fun. Yeah, support your local YouTubers, those putting out good content. There'll be links to their channels in the info, and give them a shout out, show them some love, and sub to their channel. And hail to the Phantom Menace. Be well, just don't fall into one. Hail to the Phantom Menace.